Hey, what's happening? Welcome back. We are moving on. Nice work so far. You got through a lot of stuff so far. So we got automating our client acquisition, closing deals faster. Now we're moving on to let's really deliver for clients, but let's do it in a way that we can leverage AI and ChatGPT to do it a little bit better, more efficient, focused, get us to becoming an editor instead of a creator, and that's what we're here to do. So we got four modules in here. Building a custom GPT. So this is actually you've been using the GPTs that we've built for you, and so now wrap your head around it. We're actually going to build a custom GPT builder so that you can build your own custom GPTs for yourself or for your clients or to just kind of share somewhere else. But we're going to talk about that. We're also going to be doing I think these next three are really the best in terms of like generating deliverables, reports, presentations, um, having kind of an AI powered assistant with you, and also this idea of like how do we know when we're at capacity as a fractional professional, and we're a little bit different, everybody. So this takes into account industries, um, kind of who you work with, your expertise, all that sort of thing. So let's jump into custom GPTs for your business. So the first thing we always do is like have these like um, instructions or playbooks in there, and then we also have a custom GPT that you can just jump in and play with. So, like always, what we're here to do is to help you kind of leverage AI. And so in this particular module, what we're looking at doing is helping to create your own custom GPT tailored to your workflows, kind of like your industry, your vertical, who you serve, your style, your tone, all that sort of thing, so that it can be an assistant for you as you're like going through your practice and kind of like leveraging your skill set without bringing on extra people. So building a custom GPT, essentially there's two elements. There's a knowledge base and there's system instructions. And so what this is going to help you do is like build the system instructions to build your own custom GPT. And in order to do that, we kind of have to like define what the purpose of it is. So like, what do you want to build? So maybe you're a fractional CMO and you want to build a social media strategy custom GPT for SaaS startups. So if that's the case, then you can start kind of describing that here. And then it'll create system instructions for you to create your own custom GPT. And that way you can use that as a lead magnet on your web page or sharing it on social media to say, hey, if you want a free consultation or kind of some free feedback on your social media strategy, go chat with our custom GPT and it'll leverage your knowledge and leverage your expertise and give value right away as a lead magnet. So that's one way of using it. And there's different purposes. Just again, think of like what the purpose is for you, who's going to be using this, the task it's going to be doing, knowledge or expertise that you need to give you some idea of what you should be uploading in that knowledge base, the tone and style. And then if somebody asks a question like, oh, what's the recipe for a really great ice cream? It's like, that's not what this GPT is all about. We're here focused on marketing, or we're focused on sales, or we're focused on human resources, or we're focused on legal, whatever it may be. So how do we handle when people ask questions that are kind of out of bounds? So answer those questions. It'll create a system instructions for you. Then you can put that into your custom GPT. And so the way that works is that in this case, we have an actual like outline of how to build your own custom GPT step by step. That includes walking through this custom GPT. So once you go through here, answer the questions, then you'll be able to kind of walk through it and then be able to launch it to your customers. And that's the build your custom GPTs for your business. And then next, we're going to talk about what I'm really excited about is AI generated deliverables and reports, some AI powered admin, and then also how do we optimize your capacity to know when and how many clients you should take on and how many you shouldn't. So we'll see you in the next one.